Hi guys, I just received my IPSY Glam BAG. I received it last week. Um, and this is for February 2021 IPSY Glam BAG. And I have taken the items out of the bag and just wanted to show you what the bag looks like, which is it's really a pretty color with a lip on it. And this is what the front looks like. It says sealed with a kiss, which is really cute. And I'm going to open it up to show you. It has its little IPSY logo inside here. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And this is the little card that comes in there, and it says send love. And it says February 2021. And it says all you need is love, or maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurge. And it has here extra whipped cream, glossy red, nails, you deserve it all. Then it has down here ipsy.com/send love. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It shows the list of the products and the prices. So I'm going to take you through that right now. And the first product is, I think it's called Maelle. And it is Beauty, and it says Sunkissed Blush Single in Golden Hour. So this is what this looks like. And I'm going to show you the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. And this is a blush. And the price of this blush is, it says the deluxe sample, the full size, $29. Then the next item is, let me just show you the front though. It says it says love you first, perfect eyeshadow dual. And I'm going to put it on my hands just to show you, what they look like. This is what it looks like. The two colors. And this is what it looks like on my hand. And this is what it looks like here. And the price of this, and this is called, again, Love Your First, and it's perfect eyeshadow dual. And it says full size is $10.99 for this. Then the next thing is called, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think it's showing here. It's not. Okay, right here. It is called Pixi by Petra. Endless Silky Eye Pen and DeepPlum. And this is an eyeliner. It says you could use it best of both worlds. And it's a liquid liner with the ease of a pencil. Holds up to water, sweat, humidity, you name it. And the price of this, the full size, is $12. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. If I could get it open. If not, oh, I can't get it open. Sorry about that. I can't open it. And I'm not going to try pulling it open. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Sorry, I can't open it. So I'm not going to fool around with it. Like keep pulling it. I just got to try later. And the next item that I received. Oh, yeah. And the price of this, sorry if I didn't say, I think I said it. It's this for this pencil is $12. And the brush that I received is a pretty brush. It's F.A.R.A.H Press Powder Brush 620F. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It says it's a pressing powder formula onto your skin without caking or streaking. Needs another reason to love. It's totally vegan and cruelty free. And the price of this, the full size, is $14. Sorry about that. $14 this brush is. And the last thing that I received here is, I think I've gotten this before in one of my boxes. It's the First Day Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. And it says it's an ultra gentle cleansing, removes dirt, buildup, and excess oil without streaking your skin. No, saying streaking and stripping your skin. And pH balance. Formula use powerful blend of antioxidants to purify your pores, protect your skin, and soothe inflammation. And it says here, it's great for sensitive skin types. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And the price of this is, for the deluxe sample, is $21 for the full size. And these are all the items that I received in my excuse me, my Epsy box for February 2021. And I think the price of this box, this glam bag is $12.99, but I'll put it in the description just to make sure that that is the price. So I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye.